Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Amay. It's been a long gap since we have met. Okay, so today I'm going to teach something special. It's a butterfly, okay? So first we have to start with a square piece of paper, okay? Then fold this point to the bottom point like this, okay? Then open it. You'll see a line here, okay? Then fold this point to that point. Like this. Then you will see a cross, okay? Then fold this downwards. Okay, then open it, then turn it like this and fold this down like this, okay? Then open it and then pick it up in your hands, then put two fingers on this line, okay? And then push it like this downward and use to make a triangle. It formed. Actually, this should be a bit more tighter. Like this, okay? Then fold this point to the top like this. Then fold this point also to the top like this. Then flip the paper over and turn it around. Then you will see this. Fold it up as much ever you can. Okay? Like this. Okay? Then lift the paper. Then you will see a tip like this. Then fold the tip down like this. Okay, like this. Then fold these two together like this. Like this, okay? Then hold the point from where you folded it, okay? Then open it a bit, not full. Open both the sides like that, a bit. Okay, and then fold it tightly backwards like this until they both are equal. Then leave it and then open a bit. Here, this is your butterfly ready. You can put dots, you can do designs, you can color if you are doing it with a blank paper. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching.